Mechanical Garage, guys, and we've got something really, really exciting happening, which involves this thing.
Yeah, so this is our Soapbox racer, because we are attending Mark Mccanns Soapbox race, middle of this year.
Yeah.
So we are going to rip it to bits and build something crazy.
Yeah, so this car we've actually bought off Chase Car Centre. This has done one race previously, but the reason we went for that is this is exactly what we were going to build. We were looking at actually what the same as this is actually putting a quad bike for an end on some nice skinny wheels on the back. So we thought, as theirs was going spare, it seemed an obvious choice to actually go for this. Yeah. So that's where we started.
So all we've got to do now is, obviously at the moment, it's not looking how we would do our own. So even though they've done all the hard work, thanks Chase, for doing all the welding and fabricating work, we're actually now going to figure out what type of body we want it to be ready for the race. So
what other ideas have you guys had?
Well, I came up with the nitrous ball one, didn't I? Just because nobody's done it before.
Yeah, love the nitrous.
Top fuel dragster.
Been done.
Because of skinny. It's not long enough.
Yeah, we can make it long.
Yeah, but I think you think of how long the nose would have to be.
We're pushing, and it's going to crash into stuff.
Yeah,
you think about if that nose is long, and you touch the nose, it's going to drag you into something.
It's going to be narrow.
We thought about a spark plug box and having you two dress up as spark plugs.
Yeah. Nice. Like that.
Chasing the box down the thing. That's quite a good one.
I like that. At the moment,
that should be easy.
Bit of cardboard on the back, flapping around.
To be fair,
Okay, so we have dragged our lovely Soapbox racer up to the top of a local hill.
Yeah, so we're going to do some test runs and see how we get on. I think we're all going to have a little go. And see how quickly we can get it down the hill.
Yeah. Right, so let's plant at the highest point and let's go for it.
Yeah. Right, so this is the first run out for the Soapbox. It's just one of them I don't know what to expect. Because obviously we've got lots of things that are very quick on 2, 4, 3 wheels. So to me, it's like, that's manageable.
Yeah.
I could do that in my sleep.
See, I think, well, what we've established is Chef is actually the lightest out of the three of us, so we're going to send him down next to see if he can go any faster.
Really wanted to. That now.
Let's just say to Slater, it's tyre resistance, I think.
Slater's run. I think 2 pushes it's better, but I think we're going to have to do some fine fettling. I think we could do with losing a wee bit of weight for adding a bit of weight.
Ready? What do you reckon?
I could definitely see the whole tyre thing with it. By the time you get like midway down, it's going. Okay, so we are back from testing on the hill, and it was good fun. We've all had a laugh on it, but I think we were all expecting a bit more speed out of this. So what we're going to do is Richard is actually writing all of the rules on here because we're looking at chopping this frame about to actually see if we can get some more speed out of it. One of the big things we want to do is actually put it on a diet, and a lot of the weight is here in the rear end. So what we're thinking is get the axle and move it forward to this point here. So that is why Richard is writing the rules down now. And then also, we're going to start making our actual Soapbox look like we want it to as well. So we've now got some cardboard. I think we're going with the spark plug theme.
I think we are, yeah. We're feeling the spark plug.
We're feeling the spark plug. We're feeling the spark.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're going to start to mount our box over the top of this as well, because that will affect obviously mounting points versus shortening it. And then we can start to paint that and get on with that as well. So yeah, let's get stuck in. haven't noticed then, we have just ended up cutting our perfectly good Soapbox racer to pieces. And the reason for that is we all decided it was too heavy on the rear end, so we've managed to get rid of loads of metal off the back, including the original swing arm for the quad, which was, although holding this axle in, we thought we could actually make this design a little bit better. So that is what we've done here. The next plan as well is to shave some rubber off these front tyres, because it's actually sitting on the entire face of the centre of these front tyres. So we do think we can get a lot more speed out of it just with having skinnier tyres on the front. Right, so we have decided to go with an NGK spark plug theme. So what I'm going to do is use this box. So I'm going to start to paint it up now, because the basis of the integrity of this won't actually change. So I'm going to start to paint it yellow and red, and then we've got some NGK stickers on order to kind of brand it up. First mock-up of the actual box on here. Now, to be fair, it's pretty close.
It's not far off.
It's not far off. So we're going to have a look at starting to cut all the wheels out and get the box down as low as we can on it. And we'll go probably, so it's got about, what would you say, 15-20 centimetres lower, because we want it on the bars, don't we?
Yeah, on the bar at the front, and it's sitting on the back axle nicely anyway. So yeah, and then a bit of strengthening up inside, I think, with some firmer, rigid cardboard. I think we'll be away.
Yeah, it's pretty close.
Step 1, wake up, brother, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2.
So we've just cut the front out and the back out. So the back's looped over the axle, and the front we're gonna get to just nick over the top of the tyre, and then we're gonna see if we can get that sort of hot roddy stance. So yeah, we're getting there slowly.
Okay, so we're on to another day with our Soapbox, and Richard has been firing ahead and he's managed to smarten up the front tyres as well.
Yeah, so we've done front tyres, shaved them off to make them go a bit quicker. I've also stripped down the front wheel bearings because there's a bit of grittiness to the one, so we've ordered some new wheel bearings to go in.
Yeah, so we've got those to actually go in now as well. And you know what? Yeah. It rolls now like it never did before. Yeah. And we've also got our stickers for our giant spark plug. So yeah, big thank you to Cool Signs and Designs who've done our stickers again, and we're going to be stickering up our Soapbox right now.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good.
And then final test run.
Yeah! Let's get some time.
I love the chase and the hunt. I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your...
Yeah, well, put the tyres against the throttle. Ready? Yeah. One sec. Oh, go get it off. No! He's trying to kill me! What did you do? He accelerated and pulled the steering wheel away. Let's try that again. quite a lump. I know. Is it?
And if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack.
We've just got back from testing our soapbox for the final time.
Final time, because Richard died, it's that fast now.
I did.
But he survived, luckily.
Yeah.
So all the stuff that we've done has improved it, which is always a good bonus.
Yeah,
And we have got the lovely NGK stickers on here as well.
Yeah, so big shout out to Auto Stores in Shrewsbury for hooking us up with a bit of a deal with NGK. So that is our main theme. So yeah, it's going to be fun going down the hill on this, I think.
Yeah, I think all of that speed has just been annihilated by our aerodynamics of our design.
Yeah, made it faster, then completely ruined it. But stay tuned, because obviously Mark Mccann and all the rest of the guys who are competing, we're coming for you. We might not win, but we're going to give it a go.
Yeah, so that's it. Thank you for watching this episode of the Anarchy Garage. See you next time.